देख रहे हैं विशिष्ट न्यूज और मैं हूं रेणुका। अब देखते हैं आज की खास खबर। होशंगाबाद रोड पर बहुत ही खूबसूरत एक होम डेकोर स्टोर स्टार्ट हुआ है। हमारे साथ में रवि जी मौजूद है, आइए इनसे बात करते हैं। सर, सबसे पहले तो बहुत बहुत बधाई और शुभकामनाएं।
थैंक यू सो मच।
बहुत ही
आपको भी बहुत सारी शुभकामनाएं।
बहुत ही खूबसूरत आपने ये स्टोर डिजाइन किया है, क्या उद्देश्य है?
उद्देश्य, हम लोग करीब 20-25 साल से होम डेकोर का बिजनेस करते हैं। स्टोर्स और भी है नेपाल में। यहाँ पे एक अच्छे लग्जरी फर्नीचर की रिक्वायरमेंट थी, उसको देखते हुए हम लोगों ने ये स्टेप लिया है। और ये फर्नीचर आपको ऐसा लग्जरी फर्नीचर मैं नहीं समझता कि एमपी में भी कहीं मिलेगा। एकदम लग्जरी फर्नीचर, एक्सक्लूसिव फर्नीचर।
बिल्कुल, होम डेकोर की बात की जाए तो एक ही स्टोर के अंदर हर प्रकार की हर चीज़ आपको यहाँ पर अवेलेबल हो जाएगी। तो इसके लिए आपने कहाँ से कलेक्शन इकट्ठा किया है?
होम डेकोर भी है, फर्निशिंग भी है, प्लस फर्नीचर भी है। तीनों चीज़ों का एक मिक्स वो है। जैसे अगर आपको एक नया घर बनाते हैं तो सारी चीज़ों की ज़रूरत होती है, वो पूरी रेंज पूरी होती है। और ये सब प्रोडक्ट्स इटली से भी हैं, टर्की से हैं, इंडिया से भी हैं, सभी जगहों से अलग अलग रिक्वायरमेंट।
क्या संदेश आप भोपाल वासियों और एमपी वासियों को
बस सब एमपी वासियों से सबसे मैं चाहूँगा मैं सब आके एक बार स्टोर विजिट करें और हमें आशीर्वाद दें। थैंक यू।
आइए आपको विजिट कराते हैं अरमोनिया शोरूम।
These are the walnuts clocks for the rooms. We have every color into it, and they are the branded ones for the name of Armans and Thomas Hill. That's a UK brand. Yeah. So we have variety of wall clocks. We have gear clocks. We have designer clocks with silent movement, and many more are there.
हम लोग कंपनी का काम करते हैं, बाकी सब कंपनी। साधना में हम कंपनी हैं।
Hi. So welcome to Armonia Home. So this is a new Armonia showroom here in the second showroom in Bhopal. The first one is in Kolar, where we have decor and gifts variety, and here we have furniture as well. The furniture is very elegant, all Italian furniture. We are importing from 7 countries of the world. So come, I'll just show you a little bit about it. You can see this dining. This is a designer piece from Italy. Yeah, you can just, we deal with the crockery as well, so you will find out the crockery is also displayed over there. Then coming to this section, we have another dining over here. This is also a designer piece. This is also all Venetian designs with the bronze dove. This comes with a console with there. You see this inbuilt lighting. The structure is also very strong. You see. You'll find very good hydraulic hinges over there. The quality is very superior, I would say. This is a piece which comes to your home and it gives a life to your home, I would say.
That's the range for candle stands.
This is the complete candle stand range.
Metallic.
So, the beauty about Armonia showroom is that we give you complete home stock solution. Like you will find decor as well, you will find furniture as well, crockery as well. Everything which is required for your home is there at Armonia. You don't need to go to any other place to find out different stuff. You will find everything under one roof. And I am interior stylist of Armonia. So what I do is I also guide you how to decor your room. Like if you have got a new house and you need any help in what kind of furniture will go with your interiors, what painting should go on what wall decor should be used, what artifact can be used, what lamp should go, I am there to help you. So just come to Armonia and enjoy. Yeah.
This is the range for exclusive God idol. It is a superfine polyresin, and the idols have the gold plating on it. That's 22 karat gold plating on it. These are this has intricate and detailed work on it, and it's been studded, and also we have some meenakari work on it. You can see the detailing, what kind of work on is there. This is in name of Sharna. The range is being called as Sharna. We have just launched it in every store of ours. This is the range of planters. The planters here are like they are nowadays, like people generally use old traditional gamlas, but for this is something new which we have bought. It has the value for keeping it inside and outside in the houses, and this looks beautiful, elegant, something new with colorful range. And the more thing is like this is like waterproof also. So can be used for both indoor and outdoor. And these are basically the traditional god idols. We are sourcing it from south, and it's like we have all the god figures and Buddha figures into it. You can see it comes by weight. They are heavy, not hollow, but like really nice. So we are into many other things, like in furnishing we have comforters, we have bed sheets, we have cushion covers, we have variety of towels. Towel sets are there. Here you can see this is the furniture piece, and this is the dresser basically. So where's the dresser? Mummy dresser. She'll tell about this.
So yeah, I'll just take you forward. So we have a different concept of giving you a story, complete story. Just come with me, I'll just show you. So we have one concept. Suppose you have bought an apartment and you need, sometimes people
This
are
is
struggling to
table
match the
mats. These are
sofa
table
with
mats.
the
These are dustbin sets. Every color is there. Like you can see the variety of colors available with different designs also.
So here comes the story. We have a different concept of giving you a complete story collection. Like you will find the matching dining with the console with sofa. So if you are looking for a sofa and dining, people are usually struggling to match the dining with the sofa which they have bought. You will find the complete combination over here. So this is a Turkey product. We have bought it from a very good brand from Turkey. So you will find the sofa is there, the matching TV unit is there, the showcase which you can use as a crockery unit is also there with a lot of good storage inside this. Coming forward, we have a bedroom over there. This is also all Victorian look. Over there where you find the matching wardrobe, so you don't need to fix up for them looking for the matching laminates or veneers in the market to match your beds. With the ottoman, you can see the design is all Venetian design, Victorian look. With the similar dresser is also there. With the
I'll just tell something about the bed covers. This is the matching bed cover which we have put on to the bed. We have all the matching arranged. Variety of colors, variety of fabrics. Even the work on it, you can get it through our stores. You will get through it, and you can see more colors in other ways also. मैम ये कार्पेट्स हैं हमारे अलग अलग साइजेस के ये
अलग साइज के कारपेट है। ये 6x4 है, ये 5x7।
Like for drawing rooms, you need bigger space. You can use bigger sizes, smaller for center tables. These are all machine-made carpets and silk-based carpets. ये पूरा आपका हमारा 7 horses वास्तु के अकॉर्डिंग सुपीरियर प्रोडक्ट है फॉर वॉल आर्ट्स.
These are bed runners, side runners. These are bed runners.
ये बैक साइड रनर्स हैं, बैक फ्रंट रनर्स हैं. ये अपने शावर मैट्स हो गए, डोर मैट्स हो गए, किचन मैट्स हैं, डस्टबिन्स हो गए. ये अपने पिलो कवर्स हैं.
थोड़ा सा
This is all luxurious sofa collection. We have another story over there. Some people really like colors in their house. So this is the best furniture for those kind of people. This comes with a console, dining, there are different concept of bench with dining. It comes with that. There we have two three-seater sofas, and these are like single chairs or Berger sofas, you can say. With a matching bed, TV unit, showcase. So we have our own manufacturing as well. So this sofa is our own manufacturing, and this is also imported. You will see that this is all great. You see it's very smooth. The slider is very smooth. There are very good quality hardware which is used. Similarly, the dresser is there with the collection. Storage. Then it comes with a bed with nightstand.
मत करना तो हाँ
हाँ
हमारा पूरा थीम में होली का होली पे ही हमने स्टोर तो हमारी कोशिश है कि जितने रंग इसमें होली में है उसी तरह से हम लोगों के घर को सजाएं, तो बहुत सारी ऑप्शंस हमारे स्टोर पे मिलेंगे।
खबरों का सिलसिला यूं ही जारी रहेगा। आप देखते रहिए विशिष्ट न्यूज। क्षेत्रीय खबरों के लिए सब्सक्राइब करें वी न्यूज।